Hello and welcome to this meditation. So in this meditation we are going to learn the basic 3 skills that are applicable to every meditation we do. So regardless of what meditations you do, learning these 3 skills are transferable to them all. So let's get started. So let's settle into the space. You can close your eyes, keep them open, doesn't matter. Whatever is comfortable for you. And take a deep breath in. In and out. Just do in through the nose, deep breath in. And out. You can sigh it out if you want. Deep breath in. And out. Deep breath in. And out. Very good. Now keep breathing at your own pace. Focusing on the lungs moving on the inhale. The pause in between, and the exhale. Alright, so as you're doing that, paying attention to your breath, also listen to the sound of my voice as I go through the 3 skills. So as you pay attention to your breath, and it could be whatever we're paying attention to, the breath, the sensation in the body, sounds, it doesn't matter. When we pay attention to something, that is the first meditation skill. It's called concentration. Concentration. When we place our attention on something, whatever that thing is we're placing our attention on, in this case the breath, that is called our home base. We concentrate on our home base. And you may hear in the background some squirrels and birds that are in my backyard. And that may distract you from concentrating on your home base or thoughts. When we are distracted and we lose track of what we're concentrating on, which is completely normal, and we eventually realize that we got distracted, that is working our clarity or awareness skill, the second skill of meditation. It is completely normal and to be expected that whenever we're concentrating on something, to lose track. The human brain has a hard time focusing on something so small and somewhat trivial. And when we first start meditation, it may take a minute or 2 before we even realize that we're no longer paying attention to the breath. That's okay. The more we practice and the more we realize that we become distracted, we're doing another rep of our clarity muscle. So it's okay to get distracted. You're strengthening the clarity muscle when you come back to the breath. Great job, guys. Continue building that concentration by paying attention to your breath. Get distracted, no big deal. It's part of the game. When we get distracted, we're exercising our clarity muscle or skill. And then that final skill, the third one, and the one that's probably the hardest for me, equanimity. Equanimity is a fancy word for basically accepting whatever is here, being non-reactive to whatever happens while we sit here. Whether we get distracted, whether we don't think we're doing a good job, if the thoughts are constantly coming up and we just wish they would all go away, can we instead accept these thoughts, accept these feelings? Let all the sounds we hear just be here. Because as each one of those things happen, they already are. They already are happening. And to resist what is the opposite of equanimity. It only creates suffering for ourselves. So equanimity is letting everything be here. The third skill. All judgments, all preconceived notions, expectations, can we drop them all? And if we can't, let them be there. That too is equanimity. All right, just a couple more beats here. All right. Great job today, everyone. What we did was we just did a simple meditation where we focused our attention, we placed our concentration on the breath, which is our home base. Anything that we place our concentration on is a home base, whether it be the breath, sounds around you, your hands, whatever it may be. The second skill, clarity. Whenever we lose our concentration and we realize that we lost it, becoming aware of it is clarity. So it's okay if you get distracted, because anytime you do and you make that realization, you are strengthening or working that clarity muscle. And then finally, my favorite or least favorite is being okay with anything that is here. Accepting being distracted, accepting if we don't feel that great, accepting the distractions in the background. Let it all be here. And as we work on meditation and apply these three skills that are naturally going to be worked on in each meditation, they start to spill over into everyday life. And that is where you can tell if you are truly progressing, so to speak, in meditation. So thank you all for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. If you did, please feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Thank you.